my name is René de Kooning from the Institute for Personal Development and Body Language in London in the United Kingdom.
Hello everyone, I am Ajay Dubedi, CEO and founder of Propel Guru.
Now, I have the opportunity to share my knowledge in terms of business, and the title of the webinar that we are organizing is Innovate Your Business or Die.
Business is a moving escalator and you cannot afford to stay still because the world is moving around you.
I had the opportunity to cooperate with Propel Guru. Propel Guru is also a very innovative company.
Consumer expectations are changing. Competitors are catching up. A failure to innovate in the business world and boom, you are limping behind competitors who are soaring.
Now what we're going to do is show you how to innovate your business or die. I invite you to the webinar that we created together with Propel Guru.
Let's unravel the plethora of questions and take a step ahead in the world of business by innovating.
Click on the link, join us, and look forward how to innovate your business.
On 15th Jan 2021 on Propel Guru.
I look forward to share with you.